Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you some cool tips to get the most out of your iPad Pro. Learn basic iPad Pro functions. Log into the App Store with your Apple account. Open the Safari app using it like Google Chrome. Click the option on the side and select the three dots. From here, you can favorite, bookmark, add notes, or move the tab to a group. Set desktop, camera, and microphone locations here. To delete history, click the booklet icon, which displays all open tabs and browsing history. Go to Save to view bookmarks and history, then History to clear it using the three dots. Share a web page on WhatsApp or add to home screen. Use Safari or the Notes app on iPad Pro. With an Apple Pencil, click the pencil to use it. Without one, turn it on and scroll with your finger, type, or draw. Go to Settings to enable FaceTime. Then, you can easily use FaceTime. Set your FaceTime settings. Choose portrait or landscape orientation. Adjust lighting options, such as studio lights. The camera focuses on the center stage and autofocuses as you move. Keep the camera centered for optimal focus. Sign in and open FaceTime. Go to the camera. For live photos, keep it yellow, otherwise, turn it off. Go to the Settings app and select Camera. Turn on most compatible settings, choosing 4K at 60 FPS or 1080p. Basic iPad features to know. Mastered the iPad Pro. Now like and subscribe.